The ALP-01 automatic tablet and capsule printer is designed to print characters on empty or filled capsules and tablets of any size and shape. It is compact in structure and easy to operate. Printing can be done in one color on one side or in two colors on both sides. The printer is controlled from a single panel and is so easy to use that a single operator can run several processes at once. The print quality at low cost is very high. Appearance, trademarks enhance the quality of your products. All content can be fully printed on the product using our unique print system for customer requests and orders. The design of the removable parts makes it easy to replace them for another function. The printer produces quality printing on one or both sides of a double-sided printer must be adapted specifically for orders. Patterns and all print content can be easily changed by replacing the rotographer roller. Automatic tablet and capsule printer ALP-01. Tablets on one side or both sides, 3 mm in diameter up to 80,000 pieces per hour, 6 mm diameter up to 50,000 units per hour, 12 mm in diameter up to 40,000 pieces per hour, any shape up to 40,000 pieces per hour, hard gelatin capsule, number 5 to number 00 up to 40,000 PCS per hour, soft gelatin capsule, any shape up to 40,000 PCS per hour. Power 220 volts, 50 Hz, 0.25 kilowatts, compressed air 40 bar at 270 kilopascal per 0.0005 cubic meters continuous standard flow of clean dry air, dimension 610 by 910 by 640 millimeters, size with packaging 980 by 680 by 710 millimeters, weight 105 kilograms, weight with packaging 160 kilograms.
We're proud to offer professional advice on choosing any pharmaceutical equipment. Our exhaustive catalog comprises equipment produced by Chinese, Indian, Korean, and Thai manufacturers. We are ready to seek for you used pharmaceutical equipment made by Russian and European manufacturers.
Hello, my name is RomanTsibulsky. I'm the founder and the owner of the pharmaceutical equipment catalog Minipress.ru. For the last 17 years, I've been making sure that our clients make the right choice, get everything delivered on time, and have no problems with customs clearance. Every year, I participate in pharmaceutical equipment expositions worldwide in order to pick new, better quality models to include in my catalog. In my catalog, you can find tablet press machines, blister packaging machines, coating machines, packaging and production equipment, a wide range of laboratory machines, as well as compact desktop units to start your pharmaceutical business. In any case, if you don't come across what you are looking for, just let me know, and I'll help you find the best options. I provide my clients not only with information about equipment, but also about different technologies. I'm really good at that, as I have a great deal of my own and my clients' experience here. In my catalog, you'll find different types of equipment from China, India, Taiwan, Korea, and Europe. My team will assist you in choosing the right model, purchasing it, getting it delivered, and customs clearing of any equipment to Russia. You can contact me every day, either by telephone, Skype, or email. I'm here to help you choose any pharmaceutical equipment, making use of all my experience and knowledge. I'll be happy to see you among my clients.